And let's take a look over question 4. Actually, question 4 and question 5 quite similar, so I will explain one of it and leave the other one for you. Try to draw the Carroll diagram by yourself. So this time, as soon as you see, we have a lot of categories, and also we need to figure out the amount of a specific category. Then that means we are trying to use the Carroll diagram to help us. So for a Carroll diagram, we know the most important thing are the headings. So we should find what are the headings we are going to choose. The first is we know a box of chocolates contains 24 chocolates. So it doesn't have any features, right? So that might be the total amount of chocolates we have in the box. And each chocolate is either milk or dark. Well, so we have, there might be milk chocolate or dark chocolate. So that might be two of the headings we can choose. And all the chocolates have centers, and which are either toffee or nut. Well, so you will see toffee or nut. That will be two different centers. Well, so after that, you will find, okay, so we have a two different flavor for the chocolate, and we would have two different sentences. So you draw this Carroll diagram first. Let me finish this diagram outline of it. Right, and also after that, we are going to have some numbers as well. So we can fill in the numbers into the diagram. We know, first of all, 24 chocolates. That is the total amount, right? But we will find this time we haven't got the total. So add the total column and the total row. Usually they will they will have total column and total row at the same time. So we will draw them directly together. And you finish this table. Okay, and then let's fill in some numbers. 24 is the total of lots of we have 24 amount of chocolates in the box, and 5 milk chocolates with nut center. So milk chocolates with nut center, so it should be here. And then 10 dark chocolate altogether. So 10 dark, find dark first, and it tells us altogether. So that is just the total amount. Then 15 toffees altogether. So first of all, one toffee, and what do we have? Altogether. That just means the total, right? So put it in here. So after filling all of the numbers into the diagram, the rest of them is just to calculate. So for example, we can start from the row or column with most of no numbers. So I start from the total column, and we have 9 left over here. So the last total row will be 14 here. Then 14 take away 5 is 9 here, and 15 take away 9, which is 6. Always remember use total take away the other one, okay? And also the last part, we have 10 take away 6, which is 4 here. And also, double check, 9 take away 5, it is 4. So you double check the row with the rest of the data, and you will find same number. And that means this blank, it is correct. Also, all of the other ones, they are correct. So this is one way for us to double check the answer. But to answer the question, it wants us to find how many dark chocolate toffees are there. So we want dark and toffee. So do not forget to answer the question. So the final number we are going to choose, it should be 6. So we just need to put 6 here. But to solve out this number, you need to draw and finish this Carroll diagram by yourself. So question 5 is exactly the same. You just have different headings, some different data. So try to draw the Carroll diagram by yourself and be careful whether we have the total column or the total row. Try it by yourself. If you have a question,